I think I finally perfected my jalapeno popper Smashburger, and I used the comments on my last one to make this one perfect.
Oh my God, that's so good.
And we're gonna start by cooking some diced bacon over medium-high heat.
And while you're doing this step, just make sure you keep stirring everything. You wanna make sure that it cooks evenly and the fat has a chance to fully render. All right, so the bacon's all done. We're gonna get it out, let it drain, then we gotta get rid of this grease in the pan. Now we're gonna keep it on medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add some white onion. And we're gonna stir this down and let it saute for about 3 minutes or so. And that's already smelling really fragrant, so we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients, starting with the black coffee. And you can really use any kind of black coffee, but I'm gonna use espresso. Then we can add some apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and my secret ingredient, some fresh raspberries. All right, now that we got all the rest of the ingredients in, we're gonna add some salt and pepper, then we're gonna add the bacon in. Then all we have to do is stir it all together. We're gonna drop the heat down to about medium-low and let it simmer for 45 to 50 minutes.
And as you can see, after about 45 minutes, the bacon jam is all set. So we're gonna get this off the heat and we're gonna move on to making the smash burgers.
Now when I make smash burgers, I always use 75-25 ground beef. It's gonna help keep them nice and juicy, but also give us the best sear. Then we can take our thinly sliced jalapenos, we're gonna place them on top of the patties before we smash them down. And don't worry if a few fall off, we're gonna place them on top right after. Now when you go to flip these, just make sure that you carefully scrape up the edges, that way you can keep that beautiful crust intact.
And even though I normally use American cheese, today I'm gonna use Havarti.
And once that's nice and melted, we're gonna go ahead and get our burgers off. And we're gonna start by taking the bottom bun and we're gonna put a generous amount of whipped cream cheese on it. Then we're gonna place down 2 of our jalapeno patties. And last but not least is our bacon jam. And we're gonna take a good amount of that and spread it right onto the top bun.
Then after we place that on top, we're ready to dive in. Now don't get me wrong, I love a simple burger, but if you want to throw simple out the window, this is my favorite burger, hands down. Definitely give it a try.